fucking buddy. She like, I think I recognize you, bitch, I ain't nobody. You can keep all the shit that you wearing, we already know that it's fake. Ain't nobody impressed by the shit that you play. How they hating on me, but they look like a lame. How they acting like that and they don't got a name.